I have a massive crush on my neighbor, Miss Johnson, but the problem is, she happens to be a single mom and a fitness freak with an insanely perfect figure. And on top of that, she treats me like a kid who never grew up, always asking me to fix her Wi-Fi or carry her groceries like I'm some unpaid intern in her life. But one day, I somehow gathered all my courage and I said, Miss Johnson, I think you're the most beautiful woman I've ever met in my entire life. I'm really good at fixing stuff, as you already know, but what I really want to fix is your loneliness. I promise I'll make you feel amazing, and I'll even mow your lawn for free for a whole year. If you just give me one chance to make some crazy love to you. On hearing all this nonsense, she started laughing and said to me, don't say such silly and stupid stuff. You're such a funny young man. And then she slammed the door in my face. I thought it was all over until the next day when she called me over and said, all right, I'll give you one night, but on one condition. Anything for you, Miss Johnson, I excitedly said. And then she continues, before we do anything, you need to watch me do a 2-hour yoga session without